In this video, I will show you how to fix app appearance not showing on the Snapchat. So if you are not getting the option of appearance on the Snapchat, simply open your Play Store mobile application and search for the Snapchat here, and once you will search for it, you will see page like this. Now simply update your Snapchat and go back and open your Snapchat from here and click on your profile. Now go to the settings, and below the language you will see a appearance button here. So right now it's not showing here. It means this feature is not support in my country, and if it will not showing on your Snapchat too, it means this feature is also not in your country. So simply wait for it. When Snapchat will offer this feature in your country, you will automatically get it here. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.